Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. As we analyzed this stock yesterday, Deepak Nitrate, I told you that this stock may come downside. This was the levels for this stock. The stock went towards the downside. On intraday basis, I told you to book your profit around 1829.30 rupees, but the stock has fallen till 1800 rupees also. Okay, what can happen in this stock? See, if the stock makes another low, then I won't be surprised. Why? Because see, this was the major factor, earnings. After earnings, if the stock is falling this rapidly, which means that profit booking is coming. See, from the levels of 2000 rupees, the stock has almost fallen 10%. 5% yesterday, 5% today. Okay, see, 5% yesterday, 5% today. The stock has fallen this much. What can happen in this stock in further course of action? See, support lies here around 1754 1754 to 1750 rupees, and if you have invested in this stock, you can take your profit at this given level. Okay, or around 1843. Why 1843? Let us suppose if this was previous support 1840 rupees, okay, and the stock has managed to give a breakdown below 1840 rupees. What can happen in future? If the stock will go towards the upside, it will take 1840 as resistance. It will test this level, and if it manages to go above this level, then there will be a reversal of the trend. But if the stock takes resistance at 1840 rupees, then the stock will fall towards 1751 rupees for sure. Okay, why? You know it now that why the stock will take resistance, because previously the stock has taken this level as resistance, gave an upside breakout, came here again, took support at this level, went upside, came here again, tried to take support, but the sellers were so active that they pushed the price down. The stock is coming towards the downside, and what will happen next? The stock will eventually fall till 1750 rupees. Why? Because there is no support before that till 1750 or till this level 1777. We don't know, but we can actually give a prediction or test our levels or get out levels. What can happen next? See, why 1777, or why not 1750, or why not 1690? So you must be considering these levels also. See, until or unless one support is broken, you can't go towards the next support. Okay, so previously the stock had this level as support 1846. As soon as it got broken, the stock came down, and it will take support at 1771, and if that will be broken, the stock will come towards 1754. But it won't come that easy. It will first go towards this level, and then if it takes resistance, then it will come and test this level also. Because stock won't fall like this, it will fall, it will take retracement, and then it will fall, right? So this will happen with this stock also. This is my analysis for Deepak Nitrate on short term basis. But if you want to, you can say, take a long view about this stock. See, this stock had a previous swing high of this level. Okay, this level stock didn't correct, 23% went up. See, it had a previous swing high of this level, stock corrected 23%, went towards the upside. See, stock went up, didn't correct 23%, went upside. So from this level, from this level, from this level, the stock has not even corrected 23% from its lifetime high. So once and for all, it will at least correct till 23.5%. So I am expecting this stock to come towards 1624 rupees from 2000 rupees to 1624 rupees. If it comes, then I will think of investing for the first instance. Until or unless, I won't be investing in this stock. If you want to see what are the levels, see 1745 is what a 20 EMA in daily time frame, which will act as a support for this stocks. Okay, so that is why 1745 rupees or 1748 rupees is the area where the stock will further fall and come towards and take support, right? So tomorrow also, if the stock opens around here, takes resistance at this level, it may further start to fall also. It will not stop. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Deepak Nitrite as well. Thank you for watching, and if you want to join my classes, you can contact me through Telegram. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.